We are just as excited to meet our new users as they are to start using their machines. You will find our staff happy to help and best serve the users that we have for these 2 days. We have lots of resources that we'll put upon them, and by the end of the 2 days they're going to be ready to start using their new ShopBot. There's a lot going on for these new users, so when we talk about what is CNC, this is a good time to talk about terminology, the CAD to CAM process, the different VCarve Pro ShopBot 3 software that we'll be using for the trainings. We get right out to a machine and show them machine overview, talk about the different parts of the machine, how to start it up, basic commands for moving it around, axis orientation, moving the axes, load, run, and cut a file right then and there. Before lunch of the first day, users are using a pre-sized blank, and each one gets a chance to get their hands on a machine and cut something out. We like to look at the whole CAD to CAM process from start to finish. So what we'll have users do is open up a version of the drawing software, have usually a predetermined file that's already drawn, have them come over and learn how to do the toolpath side, editing of the toolpaths, previewing it, being able to see it. This way they're getting to see the full spectrum of both the design, the toolpathing, and then also getting out to upload the machine. As the training goes on, we give them more time for designing their own. But this step's kind of important to have them go straight from CAD to CAM, from seeing a drawing and then bringing it out to the toolpath, taking it out to the machine, loading it into the machine, and running it correctly on the ShopBot, all during this process. After we do that process, we'll go back and look at specifics like this one, toolpathing. And what we'll do is we'll go back to each one of these topics and expand on them. We'll go back to drawing and expand, toolpathing, expand, and then really dig in deeper to what else they need to know. These are other areas that we break into. Bit selection, different feeds and speeds for these type of bits. We'll also look into 3D carving, how to put a 3D model into the software, do a roughing and a finishing toolpath, and come up with a 3D project. To wind up the 2-day training, we overview both days, do a question and answer format, and then we have a project design and cutting time for each of these people to be able to come, cut, work on something one-on-one, make sure the questions they came are answered before they leave ShopBot. Stop in at ShopBot Tools and you'll find some wonderful resources that we have. First is our training page. Go here, look under training tutorials and videos, and you're going to find where we have lots of training videos that we have recorded and logged for you to use down the road. Also, go back to our main page and log on to our ShopBot forum. On our forum, it's filled with users just like you that have lots of questions, and this is a good family environment where people can go in here, ask questions, get them answered, and get what they need to done. It's also a great place for show and tell and to see where ShopBot is traveling around and having camps and stuff in different parts of the country. Also, we have ShopBot Docs, which is another page right off our main page that has lots of different resources, things that'll best serve you, and we're happy to help by showing all these different things. So please check these out, use our online resources, check out our website, and feel free to contact us at any time. We're here for you. We want to make sure that you're doing a great job using these tools. So thank you for choosing ShopBot.